Here's the app called Randstad Jobs for Workers. So these are gigs for workers. Try it. Tired of wondering who's on the other end of your job applications? With the Randstad app, you can stop waiting for someone to respond and take control of your job search with free 24/7 access to jobs near you delivered right to your iPhone or iPad. Get 24/7 access to jobs near you, real-time updates of job openings that you are qualified for. You decide what jobs to take and what shifts to sign up for. Know the hourly pay rate, company location, easy access to upcoming shifts and assignments. Confirm shifts or call off if you are no longer able to work. Do it all from the app. Everything is easy from your iPhone, iPad. Enter hours, work, and break times. Easily view pay stub info, push notifications and reminders, invitations to accept shifts from previous clients. So yeah, if you're looking for part-time gigs in this category, like assemblers, like all kind of worker jobs. And then the registration, this is how it works. So then you can just get started.